So hello guys and welcome to my new studio. Now, here it is. Now you're not really gonna see this mat at all, but in case you miss it, it's all the Tapus, Tapu Koko, Tapu Lele, Tapu Fini, and Tapu Bulu. So here's just all the stuff I have. And this is what I look like as a little kid, I know, and very ugly. But, okay, so here's everything that I have. This poster from South Carolina. We live in Maine, though, so. Now, for today, we're just going to be opening a single Lost Origin pack just to get you guys in the feel of the new studio. So, without any further ado, let's get into it. Alright, guys, so here is the pack. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to open it. Wish me luck, guys. Holy cow, this is what I thought. I thought it was going to be sealed extremely. Alright, so, what the heck? Ooh, guys. Okay, I see something. I see something good. I see something extremely good. Okay, guys. Alright, we're hitting this off with a bang! Bang and a half, honestly. Oh, yeah, it's a V. Alright, it's a V, definitely. V-star marker. Wind Up Arm, Hariyama, Haunter looking freaky, Machop, Jinx, Litwick, Oddish, Love Disc, here we go, Goomy Reverse, and we're gonna get a Hisuian Goodra V! Okay, I've always been a fan of Goodra, and to get a V hit is just sensational. So we're hitting it off with a bang, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. I think I need this card for my Lost Origin binder. Yes, I did. Hisuian Goodra V. Wow, guys, that's a card I've always loved. I hope you loved it too. This is actually supposed to be a snail, as you might notice. I'll give you a second to enjoy it. But yeah, anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me give you guys the code. There it is. You can enter that online. But yeah, I'll see you guys on the next video. And yeah, keep on gaming.